Now that you've defined a MailChimp list, it's time to get some subscribers. To get new subscribers, you have a few options. You can add them manually if you have their permission, such as when they give you their email address at a trade show. You can create a sign-up form and put that form on your website and Facebook page for new subscribers to sign up. We'll be doing that in a later video. You can import a list or a list of subscribers that already opted in to receive emails from you. In this video, we'll show you how to add subscribers that you already have to your new list. When you import a list of subscribers, you have a number of options. You can import them from a CSV or a comma-separated value file. You can import them from a tab-delimited text file. You can copy and paste them from Excel. You can also directly import them from MailChimp integrated applications. It's important to understand that the imported list will be examined upon import for clues that it is non-conforming. If MailChimp doesn't like the list, the import will be stopped. If you import a list that is later determined to be non-conforming, MailChimp will block all sends to that list. MailChimp will know this when a higher than average number of subscribers click unsubscribe or spam automatically upon receiving your emails. When this happens, MailChimp will lock the list until it can be proven to be safe. This can be a big hassle and involve a lot of back and forth with the MailChimp team, and it's just not worth it. That being said, let's take a look at how to get new subscribers into our list. So back at the MailChimp dashboard, we've got the Lists tab selected here, and we see our Wisdom Pets newsletter list. If you have a person's permission, you can click the Add a Subscriber button to add them to your list. I use this button to add myself in every list because I like to be a user tester of the email messages. In this case, I'm acting as Kimberly, and I'm going to use her information. It's important to note that subscribers you manually add to your list will not receive the confirmation emails from MailChimp. You'll have to click this checkbox to indicate that this person gave permission to be added to the list. Click Subscribe, and you'll see that the subscriber was added. Go back to your Lists tab, and you'll see our Wisdom Pets newsletter has 1 subscriber. Next, we're going to import a list of subscribers. To do this, you're going to select the drop-down that's way over to the right and choose Import. There are a bunch of systems you can import subscribers from, so if your list is in any of these services, you can import it from there. We're going to use a good old-fashioned CSV file. Now, we saved our CSV on the desktop to make it easier for us to find. If you are importing subscribers and some of the subscribers in that list are already stored in your MailChimp list, you can auto-update those entries. This means that if MailChimp finds a matching email, but the name or some other data is different, that data will be overwritten with the new information. This is one way to be sure that the information you have in your list is the latest, but only if you know that the imported data is truly the most up-to-date. This can be tricky, so take your time and think through it. Because our list is essentially empty, except for the 1 subscriber, Kimberly, which we manually added, we're not going to select this checkbox. We'll click Upload List. You'll be asked to match the columns of your new list to the fields in your MailChimp list. MailChimp will recognize common fields and make some assumptions for you, and they're usually pretty accurate. Notice our first name data matches the first name column. Our first column is the first name, so we're going to choose first name. Our second column is unmatched, so we're going to select Edit and choose our last name. Click Save to save your changes. The email address column is already selected correctly. Click Save for this one. Now we're ready to complete the import, so we can click this button. Depending on the size of the data file you're importing, the import can take a little time. But this one was pretty short, so it went quickly. Notice you'll see all the new people added to your list. While MailChimp subscribers can be added in a few ways, 2 of which we've just shown you, the manual one and importing, the best way to get new subscribers is by engaging your audience and asking them to join your email list. We'll talk about ways to entice them to do that in other videos. In the next video, we'll set up integration between MailChimp and your social media accounts.